Here's the translated version. Peeling raw eggs every day came to me spontaneously. I saw a video where someone skillfully peeled a raw egg using a special tool, a pusher. It caught my attention, and I thought, the idea to start peeling, but as soon as I decided to start, I ran into difficulties. It turned out that finding a pusher like the one in the video wasn't easy. It wasn't available in stores, and when I asked the salespeople about it, they looked at me like I was crazy. Then I decided to try using tweezers, but even finding those wasn't as simple as I thought. In our local stores, these things are practically non-existent, and people once again looked at me with confusion when I explained what I needed it for. But the real problem turned out to be something else. Only good, high-quality farm eggs are suitable for peeling. Store-bought or market eggs just couldn't handle the process and would break. And finding truly good farm eggs was a quest of its own. They're rare, and I spent a lot of time searching for the right ones. Every day felt like an adventure. People didn't understand why I was doing this, and they looked at me like I was some strange person, but I kept going. Every day, I peel eggs, no matter the outcome, knowing that this could be my path to earning $1 million. Let them think I'm crazy, but when my channel hits 1 million subscribers, I'll prove that I was right.